Weaker technical forecast for American Battery Metals Corporation as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. Updated on January 8, 2021. Buy or hold candidate since November 24, 2020 gained 630.65%. The American Battery Metals Corporation stock price gained 2.61% on the last trading day, Friday, 8 January 2021, rising from $1.15 to $1.18, and has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 6.90% from a day low at $1.16 to a day high of $1.24. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.26% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares and in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.10 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 176.72% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $1.34 and $4.62 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The American Battery Metals Corporation stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.18. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately 59 cents. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 29, 2020, and so far it has fallen -23.87%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Support, risk and stop loss. American Battery Metals Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $1.15, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 8 cents between high and low, or 6.90%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 30.43%. Our recommended stop loss, $1.12, -5.16%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 7 days ago. Is American Battery Metals Corporation stock a buy? American Battery Metals Corporation holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a hold/accumulate candidate. Current score.